With IWIND, you don't have to worry about dust, smog, allergens or choking on exhaust from traffic while cycling. The ergonomic design does not restrict your movement. Its high-tech filtration system removes 99% of air pollutants. IWIND directs a flow of purified air towards your face whilst you're in motion. IWIND is equipped with universal fasteners so you can mount it easily to any cycling helmet. The device can work up to 9 hours in filtration mode and up to 6.5 hours with filtration and warming breath mode. With IWIND, you have a reliable, easy-to-use travel buddy for all your journeys. Feel safe and secure with the rear-facing bright LED light. We're launching IWIND to unite people with a passion for our mission and faith in our potential. Together, we will give life to this new green technology. Join us.